Chapter 6. Introduction to App Development. Learning Objectives. Understand what an app is. Identify types of apps. Differentiate between desktop, web, and mobile apps. Learn how to download and install apps. Explore basics of app development. Use MIT App Inventor to create simple apps. Understanding apps. An app, short for application, is a type of software designed to perform specific tasks. Apps can be found on various devices such as smartphones, tablets, and computers. They can be used for a wide range of activities, from playing games to managing your finances. The main purpose of an app is to provide a service or solve a problem in a user-friendly manner. Did you know? The term app became popular after Apple launched its App Store in 2008. Since then, the number of apps available has grown exponentially, with millions of apps now available across various platforms. Types of applications. Applications or apps can be broadly categorized based on the devices they run on. Desktop apps. Desktop apps are designed to run on personal computers or laptops. They are typically downloaded and installed on the device's hard drive. Desktop apps can perform a wide range of functions, from word processing to graphic design. Example: Microsoft Word, Adobe Photoshop, etc. Advantages: usually offer more features compared to mobile or web apps. Can operate without an internet connection. Disadvantages: limited to the device they are installed on. May require more storage space. Web apps. Web apps. Web apps are applications that run in a web browser. They do not require downloading or installation on a device, making them accessible from any device with internet access. Web apps are often used for tasks like online shopping, social media, and online banking. Example: Google Docs, Facebook, etc. A web application. Advantages: accessible from any device with a web browser and internet connection. Do not require installation, saving storage space. Disadvantages: typically require an internet connection to function. May offer fewer features compared to desktop apps. Mobile apps. Mobile apps are specifically designed to run on smartphones and tablets. These apps are usually downloaded from app stores like Google Play or the Apple App Store. Mobile apps are optimized for touch input and often use the features of mobile devices such as the camera or GPS. Example: WhatsApp, Instagram, Google Maps, etc. Advantages: convenient and portable as they can be used on the go, often designed to use the specific features of mobile devices. Disadvantages: may have limited functionality compared to desktop apps, dependent on the device's battery life and storage space. Types of mobile apps. Mobile apps can be further categorized based on how they are developed and where they run. The two main types of mobile apps: native apps and web apps. Native apps. Native apps are specifically developed for a particular mobile operating system, such as Android or iOS. Example: WhatsApp, Android iOS. Instagram, Android iOS. Web apps. Web apps for mobile devices are essentially websites that are designed to work well on mobile browsers. Web apps are usually built using standard web technologies like HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript. Example: Google Docs, mobile version, Twitter, mobile website. Classification of apps. Apps can also be categorized based on their primary function or purpose. Below is a brief classification of common types of apps. Educational apps. These apps are designed to facilitate learning and education through interactive lessons, tutorials, and quizzes. Some popular examples are BYJU and Duolingo. Social media apps. These apps connect users with friends, family, and communities through sharing of content, messages, and updates. Some popular examples are Facebook and Instagram. Entertainment apps. These apps provide content for leisure and enjoyment such as movies, music, and videos. Some popular examples are Netflix and Spotify. Banking apps. These apps allow users to manage financial transactions, check account balances, and perform banking tasks on the go. Some popular examples are SBI YONO and HDFC mobile website. E-commerce apps. These apps enable users to shop online, browse products, and make purchases. Some popular examples are Amazon and Flipkart. Utility apps. These apps perform specific tasks or provide tools that make daily activities easier, such as calculators, alarms, and file managers. Some popular examples are Google Drive and Truecaller. Gaming apps. These apps offer interactive games for entertainment and fun, often with varying levels and challenges. Some popular examples are PUBG Mobile and Candy Crush Saga. Productivity apps. These apps help users manage tasks, organize schedules, and increase efficiency. Some popular examples are Microsoft Office and Evernote. Downloading and installing apps. To download and install apps on your mobile device, you typically use an app store, such as the Google Play Store for Android devices or the App Store for iOS devices. To download and install an app from Google Play Store, follow these steps. Step 1. Locate and tap on the Play Store icon on the home screen of your smartphone. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type the name of the app you wish to download. If you are unsure of the specific name, you can enter a general description, such as an educational app. Step 3. A list of relevant apps will be displayed. Browse through the options and select the one that best suits your needs by tapping on its name. This will take you to the app's information page, where you can read reviews and comments from other users to ensure the app meets your requirements. Step 4. If the app seems suitable, tap the Install button. The app will request permission to access certain information or functions on your device. Review these permissions and tap Accept to proceed. Step 5. The installation process will begin. The time it takes to install depends on the size of the app and the speed of your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification. The app is now ready to use. Tidbit. The Google Play Store has surpassed 3.4 million apps available for download. Developing an app. The first step in app development is to think of a unique idea. Your app should solve a specific problem or provide a service that users will find valuable. Once you have an idea, list out the key features your app will need. A successful app is easy to use and navigate. MIT App Inventor is a powerful user-friendly platform that allows creating apps for Android devices. It provides a visual programming environment where you can drag and drop components to build an app. To begin developing an app using MIT App Inventor, follow these steps. Step 1. MIT App Inventor uses Google's infrastructure for authentication and project storage, so you will need a Google account. If you don't have one, visit the Google account creation page and sign up. Step 2. Open your web browser and navigate to the MIT App Inventor website at https://appinventor.mit.edu. Click on the Create Apps button. Step 3. Log in with your Google account. When you access App Inventor for the first time, follow the prompts to allow necessary permissions. A welcome window appears. Click on the Continue button. Step 4. Click on the Start a Blank Project button in the window that appears. Create New App Inventor Project dialog box appears. Step 5. Type an appropriate name for your project, for example, Greeting App, and click on the OK button. The Designer workspace appears. Palette, find your components and drag them to the viewer to add them to your app. Designer button. Click from any tab to go to the Designer tab. Properties. Select a component in the Components list to change its properties, color, size, behavior here. Viewer, drag components from the palette to the viewer to see what your app will look like. The first step in the workspace is to design the user interface (UI) of your app. You can drag and drop various components like buttons, text boxes, images, and labels onto the screen. These components will form the visual elements that users will interact with. Step 6. Drag a button component onto the screen and rename it to Greet button. Step 7. Drag a label component onto the screen and rename it to Greeting label. Set the initial text of the label to Hello. Once your UI is designed, it's time to add functionality to your app using the Blocks editor. In this section, you can drag and connect blocks that represent different functions and behaviors of your app. Step 8. Add blocks. Go to the Blocks editor, find the Greet button block, and select the When Greet button. Click block. Find the Greeting label block and select the Set Greeting label. Text to block. Connect the blocks to make the label display a greeting when the button is clicked. Step 9. Test your app. Connect your Android device to your computer using a USB cable, or connect both the computer and the device to the same Wi-Fi network. Download the MIT App Inventor Companion app from the Google Play Store on your Android device. On your computer, click on the Connect menu in MIT App Inventor and select AI Companion. A QR code will appear on your computer screen. Open the MIT App Inventor Companion app on your Android device. Scan the QR code and the app will load on your device. Step 10. Once your app is loaded on the Android device, click on the button on your app to see the greeting appear on the screen. No more. There are various tools available for app development, each with its own set of features. AppyPie, a cloud-based app builder that lets you create apps for various platforms like iOS and Android. Appery, another cloud-based tool that simplifies app development for both Android and iOS. Chapter Essentials, an app is a type of software designed to run on various devices and perform specific tasks. Desktop apps are installed on computers, while web apps run in browsers. Mobile apps are specifically designed for smartphones and tablets. Native mobile apps are built for specific operating systems, while web apps run in mobile browsers. Apps can be classified based on their function, such as educational, social media, or gaming apps. App stores like Google Play Store allow users to download and install apps. App development involves ideation, feature planning, design, and coding. MIT App Inventor is a visual programming tool for creating Android apps. Other app development tools include AppyPie and